Okay, the lesson for today is to add and subtract radicals. And adding and subtracting radicals is really the same thing as when you added and subtracted algebraic expressions. So remember when you used to combine like terms. If I said, what's 3x plus 2x? You tell me that the answer to that was 5x. However, if I said, what's 4y plus 7w? You can't do it because you can't combine these. You can only combine like terms. Well, the same rules apply with radicands. We can only combine like radicands. So if I said, what's 3 root 5 plus 7 root 5? Well, you have 3 root 5s and somebody gives you 7 more root 5s. Now you're up to 10 root 5s. However, if you had 3 root 11s and somebody gave you 5 root 6s, you can't combine them. Just like you can't combine y's and w's, you can't combine root 11s and root 6s. So we can only combine like radicands. Same rules apply for subtraction. So if I said, what's 13 root 7 minus 5 root 7? Well, those are like radicands, so you can combine them. If you have 13 root 7s and you lose 5 of them, now you're down to 8 root 7s. Okay? The only other thing that they can do is they can require, we do this sometimes in math, we make you remember something from a few days ago. So you might get a problem that looks like this: the square root of 50 plus the square root of 18. And initially you'd look at that and say, well, I can't do anything because those are not like radicands. However, if you go back and use what we did earlier in the week and we simplify these, well, root 50, that becomes root 25 and root 2. So that's 5 root 2 plus root 18. That's root 9 and root 2. So that's 3 root 2. And now look what we have. We have 5 root 2 and 3 root 2. So now we do actually have like radicands. We put them together and we get 8 root 2. So that's adding and subtracting radicals. You can only combine like radicands. You can only put root 5s with root 5s and root 8s, and good luck.